The New Hampshire Constitution says no money raised by taxation shall ever be granted or applied for the use of schools of institutions of any religious sect or denomination. Some lawmakers say these words are rooted in prejudice, originating from an effort in the 19th century to bar Catholic immigrants from access to education.
There can be no excuse not to repeal this remnant of anti-religious bigotry. The U.S. Supreme Court has spoken, and it's now time for us to speak.
Recent U.S. Supreme Court decisions have broken down barriers between state educational funds and religious schools. But Republican lawmakers here still want to change the state constitution, prompting questions from Democrats.
So what's the amendment trying to do?
It's just trying to remove a bigoted, outdated statement.
So that what can happen?
Nothing. It's just keeping things the same as they are. We don't fund non-public schools with state tax dollars.
But if the amendment passes, Representative David Luno is wary of what might come next.
All the Supreme Court cases that have been cited to us really are for very different situations and situations that don't exist here in New Hampshire. So we're really trying to get a better understanding as to what the consequences would be if this constitutional change were to go forward.
Some GOP lawmakers say they're getting pushback from their own conservative base about what kind of religious schools might access taxpayer dollars.
To those that may harbor that concern that this would open it up to madrasas as well, I'm fine with that. I think we're a pluralistic nation that doesn't discriminate on the basis of religion.
In Concord, Adam Sexton, WMUR News 9.